So we're getting ready to start on a trailer mover today, and another little project for the auger bits for my auger drive I just bought. I got a bit bought. I'm gonna buy 2 more bits, so that way I can put one there, and one there. That way it's all in one skid. I can move around the skid steer, and they're in the barn in a nice little compact area. So this trailer mover, I haven't really thought about how I wanted to do it. Now that I've actually got the stuff started to get cut, I've got the 2 main pieces cut. This will be a pretty simple process. The only thing is I can't have it hooked to that thing, which is going to suck because I like to be able to do it up in the air just like that. It's a lot easier instead of crawling on the ground, try to get everything level. But what I'll do is I'll probably get everything clamped together and then set it down, back machine away from it, tack weld it, pick it back up, cut more stuff, put it all, kind of lay it together and put it back down, so that way I can manipulate everything up in the air instead of having to crawl around the ground. I gotta whack that little hook thing off. I tried to beat it off with a piece of steel. It didn't work. So I'm just gonna cut that off real fast. And I'm gonna clean up everything and start clamping everything together. So yeah, I've got my D-rings here and my gooseneck ball here. And the gooseneck ball will be, the toolbox is gonna go, I'll show you guys real fast. This is my toolbox. It's a very cheap, inexpensive idea. I'm just gonna weld that bad dad right there, and then I'm gonna bring that gooseneck ball right in behind it. Or I'm gonna clean this spot right here off, cut the piece of tube at an angle, and bring it straight up right here in the middle. So that way it's got good contact right here. But I'm only gonna make it about that tall, so that way it ain't got a lot of wiggle room there breaking the welds. So that's the plan. I'm gonna at least get this stuff put on here and see where we're at, and then start putting everything else on. I'm actually, on these, since this comes at an angle, I'm not gonna put it all the way down here. I'm actually gonna cock it at an angle and weld everything to this, kind of like so. I'm gonna pretty much run a bead all the way up and down and around, and then against that back in there, so where this is welded to this main piece here. And then I'm gonna bring a piece straight across that's either going to be for gooseneck or structural support. Since this thing's so short, I don't think I need anything bracing it. I might put some on here from here down to here, so that way it kind of holds it up and it can't bend or nothing. I think it's going to be a pretty solid design. Of course, most everything's overbuilt by build generally, so a lot of welding and stuff. Probably won't get it all done today, but I'm going to try to get as much done as I can. Then I'm going to, as I'm going, I'm going to take a steel wheel brush. I'll knock the paint off of it, knock all the rusty crap off. I'll get some new Bobcat decals ordered this week for it, because it'd be kind of neat to have the Bobcat decals back on it. Just to at least paint where I've tore up, you know. So anyhow, we'll catch you here when I get them on, that on, and that knocked off. And then I'll show you what the rest of it's going to start looking like. So we've made some progress. Now I got everything cut and it's all tacked together for the most part besides the ball. Now it's just a matter of finishing the welding all the front up, finish welding your main pieces. I think due to it being pretty short, I'm not going to worry about putting any cross members up to the top there. I might. Some small ones there, I'm not sure yet. Toolbox is on. Like I said, I got the inside of those welded up. I just need to do up on the main piece there, and then this should be getting close to being done. Still got to whack that thing off right there. Now I'm getting ready to do that here in a minute, I guess, and then put that ball on and weld everything up, and then pull it outside and slap some paint on it, and then we'll pull it outside and go try it first, make sure nothing's gonna break, and then we'll paint her up. So yep, that's my update of this piece of video, and then we'll be back after a while with a hopefully almost a finished product. So as you can see, it's a little bit muddy. It's thawing out. I think Antarctica might be over with. So I'm trying out this new mover. I just moved our 16-foot equipment trailer, and it's probably got a couple 100 pounds of snow on it, and nothing broke. I didn't hear any popping or cracking. Got the gooseneck ball welded on there. Everything's welded up, got the pin for that. I'm gonna take this ball off so I can move pin stuff like that wagon stuff around. mowed my little trailer around with ease. So I'm quite impressed with this. So now I'm going to get ready to knock that crap off there, and I'm going to slap a little paint on it, and we're going to call her a day. So anyhow, let's get this thing finished, painted up, and well, this is a project well done. That's probably one task in the winter I hate doing. That's one of many, but having to shove off the damn trailer, especially when it's it's not a small trailer, and it had a foot of snow on it. It's wet now, so hopefully in the next couple of days all that burns off. It's like 40 degrees right now, and there's Nana puppy. Hey, buddy. Hi. How you doing? So, yeah, probably not a job I enjoy. About like greasing equipment. I do not enjoy greasing equipment at all. I had to shovel that one off when it was like -3 one morning, so I can go get this girl there. So I'm gonna leave it sit right there because I'm gonna load it up tonight, and I'm gonna put this one back after I blade off its spots. Okay, so I do need to use it this week. The spot's kind of cleaned out, not to dig around in the damn snow, because that really does get old, folks. So yeah, we'll get ready to throw some paint on that old thing here, and we'll use it and see if we can break it later. So yep. Well, I don't think it looks too shabby, boys and girls. Got her all painted up, and it's still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna let it dry for a little while longer, and we'll call this project a wrap before anybody gets concerned. I did leave it hooked up to the machine, but I did cover up the machine with a sheet. I took it off a minute ago, that way you guys could see it on the front of a little skid steer. I'm gonna get ready to put it on the big machine and leave it on there. I'll probably just put it in the barn for now, and I'm gonna move that up to the barn and put our 12-inch bit on there, and I'm gonna price out my another 2 bits this week, so that way I can hopefully get those got and put that thing to full use. So yeah, that's the trailer mover finished up, painted, and it came out very well, and it works very well. So catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. So I want to show this real fast. I made a stand to put the auger bits on. We're going to get an 18-inch bit and a 9-inch bit, or a 6 or a 9-inch bit. But this one you can store them and move them around, put them in the barn and stuff. Then we can take a chain and use that and just pick them up right off there if you need to. If they're light enough, you can pick them up. But, you know, I made these probably a little too long, but they'll work pretty good for that little application. So that's done. That's done. So there's 2 projects off the list. Next project on the list is that running gear. I'm gonna probably look at some tires for it, and I don't know if I'll paint it or not. But once the snow hopefully melts, we're almost gonna have to dig it out. I'm gonna have to get back to that box, get 2 4x6s and put underneath it, and fix the door. And then, like I said on this one here is not something I'm going to do tomorrow, but I do want to get tires for it so that I can move it around. It's a little bit easier if it's got wheels and I can roll it. So I'm going to try to find me some used tires and throw on it. Probably start working on that this week through. I clean the snow away from it. Get some tire sizes and go find a set of used tires somewhere for it, and yank these off and get a new one and pull the runners off of it. It's a good solid gear, so I don't want to let it go to waste or anything, so I want to at least get the tires, get the stuff, get these 2 boards knocked off here, and at least have where I can move it around. So yeah, you can see our lot is getting sloppy again. So probably gonna hopefully let this firm up a little bit so it ain't so nasty. But another project's on my list anyways. I'm gonna fix the fenders on the trailer. As you can see, that one there's like that, it's loose. We've got the skid steer into it a few times, so I'm gonna put some screws in it and fix it where it ain't flopping in the breeze. So I'm gonna fix that. This trailer's pretty well good to go for the year. So yeah. So anyhow, Skyrant Scribe, catch you on next one. Thank y'all for watching. Please stay tuned for more. And I just want to give a shout out. I think you're watching my channel, Alex. Thank you, buddy, for the skid steer plate. That thing worked out really well for this project, and I can't thank you enough. Auger, hopefully we'll start working on it this week, find out what's wrong with it, and get it here. It does work. I did hook it up, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully get it all fixed up before spring, and we can start using it this summer. So anyhow, catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching.